Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Lebanese cabbage rolls. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need a large head of cabbage, approximately 3 pounds, along with 1 cup of short grain rice, which should be rinsed well. For the savory filling, have 1 pound of ground beef or lamb on hand. Don't forget fresh mint, garlic, and a lemon to brighten all the flavors. Now, let's prepare the cabbage and the flavorful filling. Begin by carefully removing the core from your cabbage head. Then, blanch the leaves in boiling water until they become soft and pliable, making them easy to roll. For the filling, combine the ground meat, rinsed rice, chopped fresh mint, and your chosen spices. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter to the mixture for richness. Rolling the cabbage leaves correctly is key to perfect results. Lay a blanched cabbage leaf flat, with the thicker stem end facing you. Place about 1 tablespoon of the meat and rice filling near that end. Fold in the sides of the leaf, then roll it up tightly from the bottom towards the top. Make sure each roll is firm and compact so it holds its shape beautifully while cooking. Finally, it's time to cook your delicious cabbage rolls. Arrange them snugly in a large pot, layering them if necessary. Pour a mixture of lemon juice and water over the rolls, ensuring they are mostly submerged. Cook on medium-low heat for about 1.5 hours or until the rice is tender. Serve these warm, perhaps with extra lemon wedges and a dollop of cool yogurt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.